Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event is set to take place this month, with the company set to unveil its next-generation foldables. This is exciting because Samsung currently makes some of the best foldable smartphones on the market. We've already been treated to a variety of different leaks, from unofficial renders to official marketing ones, reported specifications, and even some live images. We now have a pretty good idea of what to expect with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5. But Samsung will also be showing off other products as well, like its new Galaxy Tab S9 series. Tablets, which we now get to see in full thanks to newly leaked renders. The leak comes to us from WinFuture, a news website that has been extremely busy as of late, showing off Samsung's entire release lineup ahead of the Galaxy Unpacked event. Today, the site showed off more marketing renders of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5, but also showed off images of the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and Galaxy Tab S9. From the looks of it, it seems that not much is changing when it comes to the appearance of the tablets. The Galaxy Tab S9 does have some minor differences on the rear when it comes to its look. And more importantly, it could go with the tablet will come with 16 GB of RAM, 1 TB of storage, and 200 mAh battery. The Galaxy Tab S9 Plus looks nearly identical to the Tab S9, with the main difference being that it will have a dual camera setup. And this style also comes to the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, with the tablet carrying over its display notch from the previous model. Of course, these changes might be minor, but the real differences will come with the tablet's internal, which will surely get an upgrade from last year's models. Unfortunately, the news site doesn't have these details, so we will have to wait a little while longer to find out. That is it, guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. One peace out.